Hello everyone. So now I'm in EV Expo. Micronix is our customer. They are using our Semco machines for cell grading and double-sided spall welding. So, sir, basically this is your battery bag. So you are using our machine. So what type of feedback and you are planning for coming to upgrade your technology and about what type of we can help?
Okay, so about Micronix, we are making lithium battery AS156 approved lithium battery for various applications.
Okay.
And we are presently doing various new technology like till now we were doing which is present in market are NMC and LFP batteries.
Okay.
We are exploring now. We are already doing mass production of LMFP batteries.
Okay.
And also sodium ion. We started the evaluation and successfully completed few prototypes.
Okay.
And LTO batteries already we are doing from few years for some application. And also new technology like solid state batteries. We are exploring the opportunities. Okay. So with Semco, we are working I think last 4 years, around 4 or 5 years.
Right.
And we are happy to see Semco's growth. I think you started with at Delhi head office. I mean 2 years back you expanded your warehouse plus service centers in Bangalore.
Exactly.
Yeah. And now you have pan-India presence and lot of growth and new technology and everything. So good to hear. Good.
So these are your battery.
Yeah.
Right. So what type of battery they are using? This battery.
Yeah, actually these all are AS156 approved electric two-wheeler batteries.
Okay.
We have around 10 AS156 approved electrical two-wheeler batteries, NMC and LFP batteries.
Okay. Exactly. So right now the solar industry are so booming for the off-grid, on-grid process.
Yeah.
They are using our lead-acid battery type of battery. I think now the situation to replace the lead-acid to moving to lithium-ion battery pack.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the coming future for the solar industry and the lithium-ion battery pack?
So actually there are different application.
Okay.
Solar street light long back entirely 100% moved to lithium batteries.
Okay.
Street lights. And now solar inverters. Already it is coming up with a lot of companies are offering instead of lead acid lithium battery for long life. So it has at least 3 times more life and half or less than half the size of the battery. Completely maintenance free. No need of any regular maintenance. No need of service. Just install and forget. And it will be very compact also. Very unique also.
Okay.
And going forward for a grid project, on grid and off grid megawatt kind of project. Already we are working with up to 1 megawatt lithium battery pack for storage of
data center type of battery pack and the ATMs you have the bank system exactly. So you are it's a great thing and so definitely sir. And thanks for giving the interview and definitely to grow in technology. We and Semco as a soldier we work on it. We support you with the equipment for the lithium-ion industry. And you planning for the prototype, then definitely support you, sir.
Sure,
thank you so much for giving the time. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.